passion. Molding a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Molding a man, add some civility. Molding a man, builds your integrity. Molding a man brings dependability to family, and his words is bonds will stand with thee.
Hello everyone. Before we get into watching the video, I would ask that you subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my videos, and leave a comment so that I know I've given you something that you appreciate or something that you want to know. Thanks again. Let's do me a great favor and subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thank you very much. 4 books every young man should have. First book is Molding a Man, where it goes from adolescence to college, talking about all the things a young man should be doing in order to become a great man. The second book, 10 Steps for a Young Man to Become a Great Man, goes through all the things a young man should know about that'll help him become a great man. Third book, Code of a Man, which lets a young man know what being a man is all about. And the fourth book, Molding, Making a Woman, lets a young man know what he needs to look for in a woman to make her worthy of being a wife.
We are all unique. Each one of us is a tapestry of experiences, emotions, and dreams that no one else can replicate. Our uniqueness is our strength, and it is what makes the world a vibrant and diverse place. Each of us possesses a special blend of talents, dreams, and aspirations. This individuality is precious. When we take the time to understand and nurture our dreams, we not only enrich our own lives, but also inspire those around us. Our aspirations are the seeds of our future, and they deserve to be cultivated with care and dedication. It's what makes us who we are. Our identity is a mosaic of our past experiences, our present actions, and our future goals. By embracing our true selves, we can navigate life with authenticity and confidence. This self-acceptance is the foundation upon which we build our lives. Understanding ourselves, our strengths and weaknesses is crucial. Self-reflection allows us to recognize our capabilities and areas for improvement. By acknowledging our strengths, we can leverage them to achieve our goals. Similarly, by understanding our weaknesses, we can work on them and turn them into strengths over time. This self-awareness is the key to unlocking our full potential. When we are aware of our true selves, we can set realistic and meaningful goals. This awareness empowers us to pursue our passions with determination and resilience. It is the driving force behind our personal and professional growth. It guides us in our personal and professional lives. Whether we are working on a team project or making career decisions, our self-awareness helps us navigate these situations with clarity and purpose. It allows us to align our actions with our values and aspirations, leading to a more fulfilling and successful life. It helps us make choices that align with our true selves. Life is full of decisions, big and small. By staying true to ourselves, we can make choices that reflect our values and lead us towards our goals. This alignment between our actions and our true selves brings a sense of peace and satisfaction. Embracing our individuality allows us to shine. When we celebrate our unique qualities, we can stand out and make a difference. Our individuality is our superpower, and it enables us to contribute to the world in ways that only we can. By being true to ourselves, we can inspire others to do the same. We can contribute our unique gifts to the world. Each of us has something special to offer, whether it's a talent, a skill, or a perspective. By sharing our gifts, we can make a positive impact on our communities and the world at large. Our contributions, no matter how small, can create ripples of change. Whether we lead, follow, or walk alone, our individuality matters. In every role we play, our unique qualities bring value. As leaders, our individuality can inspire and guide others. As followers, it allows us to support and contribute in meaningful ways. Even when we walk alone, our individuality gives us the strength to forge our own path. It shapes our interactions, our decisions, and ultimately, our impact. Our individuality influences how we connect with others and how we navigate the world. By embracing our true selves, we can build authentic relationships and make decisions that reflect our values. This authenticity enhances our impact and allows us to leave a lasting legacy. Let's explore the different paths we might take on this journey of self-discovery. Life is an adventure, and there are countless paths to explore. By staying true to ourselves, we can navigate this journey with curiosity and courage. Let's embrace our individuality and discover the power within us. Together, we can create a world where everyone is celebrated for who they are. Leaders are often seen as bold and charismatic. They stand out in a crowd not just because of their confidence, but because of their ability to connect with people on a deeper level. Their charisma isn't just about charm, it's about making others feel valued and understood. This magnetic quality draws people in and makes them want to follow. They inspire and motivate others towards a common goal. This inspiration isn't just about grand speeches or lofty ideals. It's about setting an example through their actions, showing dedication, and working alongside their team. When a leader rolls up their sleeves and gets involved, it sends a powerful message of commitment and unity. They possess a clear vision and can communicate it effectively. A leader's vision is like a lighthouse, guiding the team through the fog of uncertainty. They articulate this vision with clarity, ensuring everyone understands the direction and purpose. This clarity helps to align the team's efforts and keeps everyone focused on the end goal. Leaders embrace challenges and aren't afraid to take risks. They understand that growth often comes from stepping out of the comfort zone. By facing obstacles head-on and taking calculated risks, they pave the way for innovation and progress. Their courage in the face of adversity inspires their team to also be brave and resilient. They empower those around them to grow and succeed. Empowerment is about more than just delegating tasks.
Hello everyone. Life is very short, but if we had great information that would help us navigate through this life in a much faster, much better way, that would be a great thing. And I have 4 books that I believe will help young men become great men. So look it up, don't hesitate. Just look at the books, see if they have information in there that'll help you become a great man. Or help your son, mothers and fathers, for him to become a great man. Life's too short, and if you get information fast enough, you can enjoy life much better. Our books will help you do that.
It's about providing the resources, support, and encouragement needed for others to develop their skills and confidence. Leaders recognize the potential in their team members and actively work to nurture it, fostering a culture of continuous improvement. Think of a captain steering a ship. The captain's role is not just to give orders, but to ensure the safety and well-being of the crew. They must be vigilant, making adjustments as needed to navigate through calm and stormy waters alike. This metaphor highlights the balance of authority and responsibility that leaders must maintain. They set the course, navigate through storms, and ensure the crew reaches its destination. This involves strategic planning, quick decision-making, and the ability to stay calm under pressure. A leader's steady hand during turbulent times reassures the team and keeps them focused on the journey ahead. However, leadership is not about wielding power. True leadership is about service and humility. It's about recognizing that the leader's role is to serve the team, not the other way around. This mindset fosters respect and loyalty as team members feel valued and appreciated. True leaders lead with empathy and integrity. Empathy allows leaders to understand and relate to the experiences and emotions of their team members. Integrity ensures that they act with honesty and fairness, building trust and credibility. These qualities are the foundation of strong, effective leadership. They listen to their team, value their input, and create an environment of trust. By actively listening and considering the perspectives of others, leaders foster a collaborative atmosphere where everyone feels heard and respected. This inclusivity leads to better decision-making and a more cohesive team. It's about guiding, supporting, and empowering others to reach their full potential. Leadership is a journey of growth for both the leader and the team. By providing guidance, offering support, and empowering individuals, leaders help their team members to achieve their goals and realize their potential. This mutual growth strengthens the entire organization and leads to lasting success. Being a follower is often misunderstood. It's not about blindly obeying orders. Effective followers are active participants. They contribute their skills and ideas to support a shared vision. They are loyal, dedicated, and possess a strong work ethic. They understand their role in the larger picture. Think of a team of cyclists. Each member plays a crucial role, supporting the leader to achieve victory. followers bring their own strengths to the table. They offer different perspectives and contribute to the team's success. Being a good follower is an invaluable asset in any area of life. Some individuals thrive in solitude. Lone wolves are independent, resourceful, and self-reliant. They forge their own path, driven by their own internal compass. They are comfortable with taking risks and challenging the status quo. Lone wolves are often pioneers, innovators, and creative thinkers. This path isn't for everyone. It requires immense courage, resilience, and a strong sense of self. Think of artists, writers, or entrepreneurs who often work alone. They bring unique ideas to life, driven by their passion and vision. The lone wolf's journey is one of self-discovery and pushing boundaries. Our character traits heavily influence our natural inclinations. These traits form the foundation of who we are and how we interact with the world around us. They shape our behaviors, our decisions, and ultimately, our paths in life. Confidence, adaptability, and independence are key players in this equation. Each of these traits contributes uniquely to our personal and professional lives, guiding us through various challenges and opportunities. Confident individuals are more likely to take on leadership roles. They possess a self-assuredness that inspires trust and respect from others, making them natural leaders in many settings. They trust their abilities and aren't afraid to voice their opinions. This confidence allows them to advocate for their ideas and influence the direction of projects and discussions. Adaptable individuals can thrive in different environments and adjust to change quickly. Their flexibility enables them to handle unexpected situations with ease, making them valuable assets in dynamic and fast-paced settings. They are comfortable being both leaders and followers, depending on the situation. This versatility allows them to contribute effectively in various roles, whether they are guiding a team or supporting others. Those who value independence may gravitate towards being lone wolves. They often prefer working alone and rely on their own judgment and skills to achieve their goals. They cherish their autonomy and are comfortable making their own decisions. This self-reliance allows them to pursue their passions and interests without needing constant validation or support from others. Understanding our innate tendencies provides valuable insight. By recognizing our natural inclinations, we can better understand our strengths and weaknesses and how they influence our actions and decisions. It helps us recognize our strengths and areas where we can grow. This self-awareness is crucial for personal development, as it allows us to set realistic goals and work towards becoming the best versions of ourselves. In a team setting, understanding each member's character traits can enhance collaboration and productivity. By leveraging each person's unique strengths, teams can achieve greater success and overcome challenges more effectively. Constructive feedback is essential for growth. When we understand our character traits, we can better accept and utilize feedback to improve our skills and performance. Setting personal goals aligned with our character traits can lead to more fulfilling and successful outcomes. By focusing on our natural strengths, we can achieve our aspirations more efficiently and with greater satisfaction. Engaging in activities that resonate with our character traits brings joy and fulfillment. Whether it's a hobby, a passion project, or a career, aligning our actions with our innate tendencies can lead to a more satisfying and meaningful life. Ultimately, understanding and embracing our character traits allows us to build stronger relationships and communities. By appreciating the diversity of traits in ourselves and others, we can create a more inclusive and supportive environment for everyone. Knowing yourself is a journey, not a destination. It requires honest self-reflection and a willingness to explore our inner landscape. Ask yourself, what are my passions? What motivates me? What are my strengths and weaknesses? Understanding your values, beliefs, and motivations is crucial. It reveals your authentic self and guides you towards a fulfilling path. Don't be afraid to experiment with different roles. Try leading a project at work or volunteering for a leadership position in your community. Observe how you feel and what you learn from these experiences. Embrace the journey of self-discovery with an open mind and a curious heart.
Will change a young man's outlook and how he goes about life and becoming a great man. They're great gifts, birthdays, Father's Day, Christmas, and it can be given to any young man that's starting off in life. They're available on Amazon, BarnesandNoble.com, and WritersBrand.com also. Go check them out on Amazon and get your copy. The young man should have all 4 copies to ensure that he will become a great man. Hello everyone, I want to thank you for watching my videos, and I would ask that you like the video, subscribe to my channel, and comment so that I know I'm helping somebody by you commenting on them, liking them, or subscribing to my channel. This way I can get more coverage and reach more people. So thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you on the next one.
Takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man, brings dependability to family, and his words is bond.